Okay, forget it, let it rest.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Yeah, this thing, this Camaro. This Porsche is nice.
Missing someone.
I'm not a big fan of the color. I changed the color on it. Supercharged.
And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
My dad really thinks this is blue. Dad, this is obviously purple. Do you see it now? It's purple.
Missing someone. Missing someone. I am sad and so down.
And it goes a little something like.
And they said, oh, easy bolt on.
I want one of these. Big trucks.
Oh, look at that sled.
Missing someone.
Okay, so before you watch the clip of her yelling at us, let me tell you what basically was going on. So, my brother and my stepmom, they were standing over here in this grass part, okay? Now, we were talking to my stepmom's cousin, because his truck was over to the left, and we were talking about it. So, next thing you know, we're talking and stuff. This lady comes up to us in pajamas and everything, so we knew she was gonna say something, because ain't no one coming in like that to car shows. I mean, I'm not saying people don't, but still. So, then she starts yelling at us, saying, "This is my property, get off my grass," waving her hands at us as if the shoe, all of this stuff, okay? And first, before we get to that, this isn't even her property. If you look, her fence ends here. There's literally a tree line. She must have cut down these trees or something, because all these other houses up there, they have tree lines. And this part on all the other houses is the fairgrounds property. And there's like a stream here. Maybe she filled it in. I don't know. But that was also going up through there. But so they're literally standing here, okay? And she comes up and yells and stuff. And obviously we were going to say something, because she kept doing it and doing it and doing it. Because at first when she came up, she was rude and stuff, like yelling at us. But we still moved respectfully. But once she kept saying stuff, then my grandpa said something. But that's pretty much the gist of it. The clip I have, it's not the whole thing. I started recording towards the end. I should have recorded earlier. But anyway, here's the clip.
He's on the stone driveway to the fairgrounds. What's your problem? Go home and take a chill pill, lady.
You
Just walk away.
I don't want to argue with
I'm
you.
not going to go in your yard and stand in your yard.
You can come over and stand in my yard and have a beer with me. I don't care.
Jeez, just walk away.
No, she's complaining about, we're on fairground property.
You are not. You are fire.
Okay, forget it. Forget it. Let it rest. Let it rest.
Stay off my ground.
Okay, go home.
You do.
Car number
Alright,
34.
that's it for the Santa's Helpers Car Show 2020. And